This is me trying to catch the rat in our house. Damn it. I need like a broomstick or something. Grab me a broomstick.
Okay.
Don't open it. Okay, we need to like shove something underneath and then flip it over.
What?
Like we need like a piece of cardboard to put underneath.
Okay. Keep it there. Hold it steady.
Now, let's flip it.
Where is it?
It's somewhere in the kitchen. Yo!
I don't want to come out. This is like the Blair Witch Project or something.
I don't know where he is.
I'm scared. Did he go behind the... Oh jeez.
Damn it!
How did he pop out?
I don't even know. More importantly, where the hell is he?
You sure you went back there?
Back where? He's behind the stove? Flashlight.
Is he back there? Is he behind the cabinet?
I don't think so.
What?
There's a weird stain back there. Where the hell is he?
Did he go downstairs?
No, he couldn't. That door's closed.
You sure?
Yeah. What the?
You sure he's still not...
He ran over here. He ran into the kitchen. You can turn it off until we find him.